Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 20th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Interactive Brokers. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Interactive Brokers, a leading global electronic broker, has just released its fourth quarter results for 2025. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Interactive Brokers reported GAAP net revenues of $1.64 billion and adjusted net revenues of $1.67 billion for Q4 2025. John, how does this compare to last year?
Compared to the year-ago quarter, where adjusted net revenues were $1.42 billion, this represents a significant increase. The company has shown strong growth, driven by higher customer trading volumes and increased net interest income.
And what about profitability?
The adjusted earnings per share came in at 65 cents, beating the analyst forecast of 51 cents. This is a substantial improvement from the 51-cent adjusted EPS reported in the same quarter last year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on the operational efficiencies that Interactive Brokers has achieved this quarter?
Absolutely. Commission revenue increased by 22% to $582 million, thanks to higher customer trading volumes. Net interest income also rose by 20% to $966 million, driven by higher average customer margin loans and stronger securities lending activity. The pre-tax profit margin remained robust at 79%.
What does this mean for their future outlook?
With a total equity of $20.5 billion, Interactive Brokers is well-positioned for future growth. Their focus on technology and automation continues to provide them with a competitive edge in the market.
Customer growth and market position. Interactive Brokers has reported impressive growth in customer metrics. Can you tell us more about this, John?
Indeed, customer accounts increased by 32% to 4.40 million, and customer equity surged by 37% to $779.9 billion. Total daily average revenue trades, or DARTs, rose by 30% to 4.4 million, indicating strong customer engagement and trading activity.
How does this impact their market position?
These metrics highlight Interactive Brokers' strong market position and ability to attract and retain customers. The increase in customer margin loans to $90.2 billion further underscores their robust growth trajectory.
Financial strategy and risk management. John, let's discuss Interactive Brokers' financial strategy and risk management. What are the key highlights?
Other income decreased by 55% to $10 million, mainly due to lower returns from investing activities. Their currency diversification strategy resulted in a $7 million decrease in comprehensive earnings. Despite these challenges, they declared a quarterly cash dividend of 0.08 cents per share, reflecting confidence in their financial stability.
How does this affect their overall financial health?
With comprehensive income available for common stockholders at $288 million, Interactive Brokers maintains a strong financial position. Their strategic initiatives and risk management practices continue to support their long-term growth objectives.
Key takeaways. In summary, Interactive Brokers has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2025 with significant revenue growth and a solid increase in earnings per share. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Interactive Brokers continues to demonstrate robust growth and operational efficiency. Their strategic focus on technology and customer engagement positions them well for future success. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion and market presence.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Interactive Broker's performance in the comments below.